This is one of my homemade bird feeders. Consists of a jar with twine and a wooden spoon. It's in the front garden. This is a blue tit that likes to feed off the rose bushes in the garden, getting all the insects as well. So next to that feeder now we have a goldfinch building a nest in the bamboo. So this one is a bigger one in the back garden. It's a bigger jar on a garden trowel with 2 carcass oranges in the jar filled with bird feed, and the robin likes this one. This is a Mark II version of the big jar feeder. Instead of a trowel underneath it, it's now got a metal tin base. So the robin quite likes to change. He's quite happy doing that. Something to land on with those bamboo stakes. The blue tit is quite happy to feed here as well. It's quite safe, there's plenty of food for it.